Hello everyone. Now we'll see how to set the signing order while signing a PDF or a PDF template. First we'll create a PDF. I'm uploading a file from my system and then fill in the details of your signees. So after filling the details, click in this checkbox to set the signing order. As you can see, a number has been assigned to each of the signees. So the document would be first sent to Jennifer as she is assigned number 1. After she finished signing a document, it would be sent to Jenny and likely to the other persons as well. You also have the freedom to change the order. So here I have assigned number 1 to both Jennifer and Jenny. So they would be receiving the mail to sign the document at the same time. So after they finish signing the document, it would be sent to the other persons. But make sure to assign logical numbering. So if you assign number 1 to the first two persons, assign number 2 to the third person rather than giving the number 3 or 4. You also have the freedom to assign in whichever order you like, and the document would be sent for signing in this particular order. So now we'll send the document for signing. So place all your signature fields and then send it for signing. So now the document has been sent for signing. So here I have opened all the mails that we used and none of them has received the mail for signing the document. But the mail ID that we assigned number 1 has received the mail for signing. Now we'll go and sign this document. So we'll sign the document and then click finish signing. And then the next mail ID, the number 2, has received the mail. We'll sign that now as well. We'll go and check the mail ID that we assigned number 3. Yeah, it has also received the mail. We'll sign that. And now we'll go and check our last mail ID which we assigned number 4. So we have received the mail here. We'll sign it and we'll click send. So now in the dashboard the status has changed to signed. We'll go and check the history now. So here as you can see we have different timings, like based on the timings the mail was sent after the first signee has signed, and we have the timing gap in between each of the signees.